In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn username using a PC in just a few minutes. Whether you're personalizing your profile for better branding or just want a simpler, more recognizable URL, updating your LinkedIn username is both quick and easy. Let's go through the steps together so you can make this change confidently. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official LinkedIn website by typing in www.linkedin.com. Once you arrive at the home page, you'll need to sign in to your account. You have the option to log in using your email, Google, or Microsoft credentials, depending on what's most convenient for you. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, remember to enter the verification code that's sent to your device. This step is crucial as it ensures that your account is accessed securely, providing an additional layer of protection. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice an icon labeled Me, represented by your profile picture. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select View Profile. This will navigate you to your personal LinkedIn page where you can start making the necessary adjustments. On your profile page, focus on the upper right side of the screen. You'll find a section labeled Public Profile and URL. Right next to this section, there's a pencil icon waiting for you. By clicking on this pencil icon, you'll open a new page that displays your current public profile URL. This URL might currently include some random numbers or characters, which can make it look a bit cluttered. On this new page, you'll need to look to the right-hand side where there's an option that says Edit Your Custom URL. Next to this option, you'll find another pencil icon. Click on it, and a text field will appear where you can type in your desired username. This is a great opportunity to choose something simple, professional, and easy to remember. Ideally, your full name or a variation that aligns well with your personal brand. After typing in your new username, take a moment to double-check for any typos and ensure that it appears clean and professional. Once you're satisfied with your choice, proceed to click the Save button to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed your LinkedIn username. Your profile now features a clean, customized URL that enhances your professional identity. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a significant impact on how you present yourself online. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more step-by-step LinkedIn guides. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy networking.